Good morning, everybody. This is week 5, module 5, so you're over the halfway point. This week we're going to be looking at managing talent and diversity and understanding individual behavior. So we're moving from planning and organizing now to leading, and to do that we need to be able to understand ourselves and others. So managing talent and diversity is basically the organizing function for the human resources side of an organization. It includes posting a job, recruiting, selecting, bringing somebody on board, training them, performance reviews, and managing the entire kind of people process of the organization. As we start to move into leading, one of the first things you need to do is understand yourself and understand others, how you're similar and how you're different. So we're going to focus on, as usual, the 2 chapters from MindTap, Chapter 9 and Chapter 10. Got an example of Google trying to create a more diverse workforce here, a video. The discussion board is going to focus on individual differences or knowing yourself and look specifically at emotional intelligence. So I've posted in some information here about the importance of emotional intelligence. Regular intelligence can get you into a job and into an organization, but emotional intelligence is what makes leaders high performers. So provide an example there, a good example and a bad example, and then respond to at least 2 other posts. And then for the HR, we're going to do the written assignment, is to view the video on Zappos to look at how they're doing human resource recruitment in this selection, and answer those discussion questions and submit them as your individual written assignment. So at the bottom of the module, you have links to the readings, the video. Remember, there's an assignment and a quiz for each chapter. So have a good week.